I'll go first. I mentioned it before. Relative to marketing and what's made you successful to this point in your business, whether that's farming, whether that's social media presence, whatever it may be, in this time, double down on it because it's what you're good at. It's what has brought you results, and it's what people know you for. It's what the community knows you for. Double down on those efforts.
Yeah, I would just add, nobody knows what to do right now. Mm-hmm. I think it's fair to say that out loud. We're all trying to navigate a unprecedented era in our lives. I mean, my kids are home from school. There's no conferences. There's no restaurants. There's no sports. There's nothing. You can go to the grocery store and home. You can walk your dog and come back home. But the one thing that I would say is that your home matters more than ever. And people are either going to really love their home by the end of this, or they're going to really want to sell their home by the end of this. They're going to be sick of it.
It's true.
Yeah. Well, thank you all for tuning in with us today. We hope we made this hour worth it. It was our pleasure to be a part of this. Our friends at Chime, thanks for inviting Chris and I to be a part of this and introducing us to your community. We hope we brought value, and we hope you guys got some takeaways.
Thank you for
yeah, this was fantastic. Thank you all again for your time, and thank you everyone for attending today. I'll take it easy.
Cheers.
Take care, boys.